In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a Wix website to Yandex Webmaster Tools. Whether you're a beginner or just need a refresher, we'll walk through the process step by step to ensure your site gains the best visibility on Yandex, one of the largest search engines in Russia. To kick things off, you'll want to navigate to webmaster.yandex.com. Once you're there, you'll need to log in with your Yandex account. If you haven't created one yet, you'll need to do that first. After successfully logging in, you should see a dashboard. Look for the option that says Add Site and click on it. This action will prompt you to enter your website's details. Next up, it's time to add your Wix website URL. Be sure to enter your site's full URL, which includes the HTTPS prefix. For example, if your site is called Your Website, you'd enter it as https www.yourwebsite.com. Once you have typed in your URL correctly, click on the Add button to proceed. Now that you've added your site, you'll need to verify your ownership. This step is crucial as it ensures that you're authorized to access and manage the site within Yandex Webmaster Tools. The verification process involves a meta tag. Once you have the meta tag, go to your Wix dashboard. On your Wix dashboard, navigate to the Settings menu, then click on Advanced and head over to Custom Code. You might be familiar with this if you've added custom functionalities to your site before. Here, you can add the verification code to your site's head section. To do this, click on plus Add Custom Code and paste the given meta tag into the designated section labeled Head. After you've pasted the tag, there's a crucial action that you don't want to overlook. Make sure to apply this custom code to all pages of your site. Failing to do so might disrupt the verification process or future functionalities. Once everything is in place, click Apply, and then publish your site updates. By publishing, you are essentially saving all these changes and making sure they reflect on your live site. That's it! By following these steps, you've successfully integrated your Wix site with Yandex Webmaster Tools. Now you can monitor your site's performance and make data-driven decisions to optimize your presence on Yandex. Whether you're planning to expand into the Russian market or just want to increase your website's visibility, getting listed on Yandex is a valuable step. Remember, the more comprehensive your setup, the better your chances of improving search engine rankings. Thanks for following along.